Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Inspired Birdie. So this is my weekly plan with me series for the happy planner, or for you it could be any planner at all that you're using. And this week's theme is Once Upon a Time. I don't know if you watch the TV show, but I absolutely love this TV show, and that's what inspired me for this week's theme. So I really designed it around the evil queen, as you can see here, and I am using all printables that I got from the internet, really trying to be more cost effective and not always having to buy stickers. So that's what I'm going to be working with. I may have a video coming out soon as well about how to do this, so how I exactly plan and collect all of my pictures that I'm going to be using, so keep an eye out for that. So here are all the different clip arts. These little notes here were really simple to make just using paint. So lots of really cool clip arts. I got a lot of them from Google Images and Pinterest. And then here's the washi I'm going to be using. All of this washi is from AliExpress. I get asked all the time where I get my washi from, and I do get quite a bit of it from AliExpress because it's such a good price and you get a really good quantity of amount of it normally. So that's where I got my washi from, and that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this week's planner theme. Let's get started.
That you keep them for yourself, and know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
is too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind.
Till you break my mind.
Until you break my thought.
Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. is too much. What's there left to say?